faster. And here, the final difference does not reflect that difference in the speeds. You understand, right? This is for the intuition. And what does it mean, infinity minus infinity? At the moment it's on, right?
Yes.
You know, I will be very grateful to you if we can finish the video production in some reasonable way. I hope one day be able to return back. You understand? But I really value your assistance very much. Now, here is a smarter way. We can factor it first, x multiplied by x minus 1. And now, this goes towards plus infinity, and this goes towards plus infinity, so the product also must go towards plus infinity. Okay. How about this one? What do you think happens when x goes towards plus infinity and the opposite, when x goes towards minus infinity? Does any one of you have a reasonable answer? It's cheap, why don't you try? Am I pronouncing the name reasonably correct? Not so bad. So what kind of function is that, Miss Chi? Let's try a dialogue. What kind of function is this guy? Huh? Rational, huh? Why? Yes, it is rational. But there is even simpler class. You see here, if you say like that, f of x equals x plus 1. This function is rational. This function is even polynomial. And this function is linear. When you say linear, it's the best, because you have found the smallest class that contains this function. When you say rational, you're also right, but no need of rational, you understand? So what kind of function is that? 6, huh? It is exponential. Huh? Is it exponential? Huh?
Yes, power.
There is power, but the power is integer. 4, 3, and 1, because 1 is missing. So the powers are integers. Let's try to open the brackets, but we are not going to open the brackets. What happens when we open the brackets? We're going to get what kind of one? Huh? We're going to get a polynomial. What's the degree of that polynomial? What is the degree of that polynomial? This cheap. When we open the brackets, they say it's a polynomial function. What's the degree of that polynomial? Well, look, the first group, when we open, it will be x to the power of 4, the highest degree. The second, when we open, x to the power of 3. And the third one, 1. So everything we have to do is do arithmetic. 4 plus 3 plus 1, and gives us 8. So it's a polynomial of degree 8. Now, we don't know all the coefficients, but we can write like this. Y equals 1 over 24 x to the power of a plus and dot dot dot. Here, everything else will be of degree less than a. So everything else, compared to the first, is insignificant with polynomials. That's how they work. Only the highest term matters when we go towards plus infinity and minus infinity. So, x to the power of 8, when x goes towards plus infinity, what happens? Huh? today I have a little bit
Going toward infinity.
towards plus infinity. Yeah, I prefer plus infinity because it's very explicit. When it goes towards minus infinity, what happens? He is helping you. He needs a medal of honor. So it goes towards plus infinity. Why? Because the degree here is 8. Here is an alternative proof. That's a good enough proof. So here is the alternative proof. We have to compute the signs. Again, it's a situation where everything we need is information about the sign. So what is the sign of this when x becomes very, very big? It doesn't matter what's inside, because this degree here is even, so here it must be plus. How about here? When x becomes very big, plus 1 is going to be positive, to a degree 3, positive also. And here, x is very, very big, again positive. So the whole thing will go towards, see, all 3 will be positive. So here, everything will go towards plus infinity. The same here we did with this. Now let's go towards minus infinity. Any problems? Yes? Let's go towards minus infinity. Who wants to come and try to... Guys? No embarrassment. Everybody once now, 1, 2, 3 times. You know, here guys, look. This is like a kindergarten stuff. Kindergarten. Let's start with the first. It doesn't matter what is inside, because here is 4. So when this becomes very big, negative or positive, this will be positive. Now this one. This here matters because the degree is 3. If it's positive, it will be positive. If it's negative, it will be negative. X becomes very, very small number, far away from 0, like it becomes minus 100 million, minus 1 million million, and so on. What kind of number is here? Negative. To the power of 3, also negative. Now this one, x is minus 1 million. Negative also. So now plus, minus, minus.